Good morning, it's Rich from the Motorcycle Garage. It's the big day. I'm now switching single seat to dual seat. So yeah, that's the heat shield that goes on there. Also, it all comes off. Some nuts and bolts. Basically, the frame fits here. The rear frame, as you can see, down there, and there's the single seat frame, as it were. The monoposto to the duoposto, I think, something like that. And there's the rear that goes on the single seater. And that comes off there, that comes off there. There's the seat, which I think I'll use that seat. It's a good seat. I'll have another one, but it's not as good as this one. I'll clean that up. So yeah, it's just a bit of a drawn out process, but nothing too technical. But as you can see, the rear one, I'll just place it if I can, just to show you. The keys goes in here. Down here, watch the real rear. We get the rear legs support first, and it goes nice and smoothly as it just did 2 minutes ago. I went too far there. Yeah, this is it, isn't it? Doing it with one hand. There we go, real life experience here, looking up. It needs to stay on top there. And it needs to go that side. It won't go that side. Okay. It goes, you see. I've just fitted it, so there it goes. I'll show you when I'm done. There we go. That's better. There we go, that sits on there. As you can see, that all matches up there and matches up there. What do we put in line? There we go. Yeah. And of course the seat, which has got key lock down there. What's on there? And there we have it. So, out of interest, the frame for the monoposto, which is a magnet, aluminium, just to prove it. There we go, that's the magnet. And this one, which is the duoposto, or whatever they call it in Italian, is steel. Well, I guess for the strength, because you've got two people, so it's quite interesting. You are putting more weight on the bike, obviously, as you are with the pillion. But yeah, it looks exactly the same. But actually, okay, those hangers are aluminium, but it's from a steel frame. And it's quite interesting. Quite interesting to me, anyway. I'm sure maybe boring a lot of you, but for me, it's all good fun. So yeah, so choice there now, and it's probably one. Now I know what I'm doing. It's probably like a half an hour, maybe 45-minute changeover, and then change back again. Whatever, not too terrible once you know your spanner sizes and things like that. You know all the nuts you got to get undone. So I'll start popping it back together now. So yeah, there we go. Hope you've enjoyed this little bit. Yeah, so the plan worked, getting hold of those bits for the pillion and the frame, which is steel, and the is aluminium, because I think that's quite useful to know. Just for anyone that might be doing it, I'm just leaving the leaving the shot on so people can see what they need to do. There we go. Alright, I'll keep you posted. Have a good day.